last bit of fun, we did the analysis. We got ACX check, and we had the RMS floor under control, but we maximized the peak. So our peak is too peaked, and so we need to use the limiter. Here we go under Effect. I'm going to go to Limiter, which is already there. We don't have to download it, and we want to keep it here at -3. If it's not at -3, put it at -3. And what you're going to see here is that these areas that are out of bounds, those are going to be limited. And we got a soft limit. It's not just going to chop it off. It's going to just lessen it. I do OK. Bing. It's already gone. Now we go do our ACX check. And look at that. Clip meets ACX requirements. So this clip is now ready for ACX with the limiter to limit peaks.